Alright, back at you with another one with the Pull-Up King. Got a 2010 Chevy Traverse. And we're going to show you how to replace the strut mount. That one right there. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, so first you want to disconnect your battery. Your battery is underneath the passenger seat in the rear. Once you disconnect the battery, start working on this. Alright, we got to take off this panel. We got tabs that's supposed to be in here, but they're gone. So once you remove those tabs, this will come up and out. Got it out. I'll go ahead and remove this here, 13 mil. Take off your engine cover. Remove this here. Put the oil cap back on. There's 2 wires, take that off. 10 mils here and here. Loosen those up. And then gonna come up, remove this panel. Got some tabs around it. Alright, that's how that looks. Pull these up. Move them out the way. Now we can get this block out. Got the tabs holding it on the sides. Alright, so we got one here, and this one to get that out. Alright, undid this harness right here. Just pry it from off here. And we got 10 mil bolts that we got to get out, like about 2 or 3 of them. You can actually see where it's broken at on this one. That's broken. Those 2 bolts that's holding it in are 15 mil. That's it. Just twist it like that, and then you can get that guy up out of there. And that done fell. That fell out. Yeah, definitely broken. There you go. Alright, we got the longer bolt in the front and the short one in the back. And that's it for that. We gotta put everything back together, reverse order. Alright, those tight, everything tight. Alright, man, just like that, we done. Torque strut mount. That's the part number. If you're liking the content, man, go ahead and like the video. Get a video a thumbs up, I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe. Hey, man. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.